Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you my natural hair clip-ins. I actually ordered these last year, August 2019, from Aliexpress. So I'm going to share with you, this is going to be my clip-in video, but I'm going to share with you what the clips look like. A regular DHL bag. The bag of the hair looks like this. It says 100% human hair. I got 2 packs just like this. It comes with extra combs, extra clips, the combs. Actually a total of 8 of the widths. Okay, we have, I'll start with the longer width. I did look through them already. We have 1 width with 4 combs. We have 1 width with 4 combs. 2 widths with a total of 3 combs. So we have 2 widths with 3 combs. You just push them in a lock and flip it up to open. Really real easy, and you close them. So I got 2 with the 3 widths, 3 widths with the 2 combs on them. 1 width with 2 combs on it. And then I received 2 combs. These look like these are like the fillers, or smaller widths. Received 2. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You might as well say 8. Well, these 2, 8, 9. So I have all these widths, and that's in 1 bag, so I have a total of 2 of these. I'm about to do a mask treatment, to do a deep treatment on the hair. I'm going to have the hair braided down, and then in the next slide you will actually see me installing these clip-ins myself. Okay? Stay tuned. It's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with my first natural hair clip-in video. As you can see, I have my hair braided back. It has been washed, conditioned. I did a mask treatment on yesterday, and I have it completely braided back. So we're going to start installing the clips. I will leave all the details on these clips below in the description box. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the set of 4s. Open your clips like so. Open your clips like so. And clip the first 2 on the edges. Till you hear them actually snap closed. You can hear them snap. My first clip in. Let me make sure it's tight enough. Okay, now we're going to do the second 4-piece clip. I'm just going to clip it over top. I want my hair to be full. Go through each clip and make sure it's closed. Okay, so we got that. I have 4 sets of the 3 clip. Tracks all along where my braids are. I'll put that there. Go through each clip and just put that baby down. Okay, we're going to do another 3B, and I'm just basically going to follow where my braid is and clip this baby down. Another 3 clip. I'm gonna go over the top. I'm just kind of following my braids, where my braids are. So I'm gonna take this and start that there. And then I'll use the ones that are like in a number. My 1 clips and my 2 clips is like my fillers. Okay, then we're going to do this clip. With the 2 width clips, I'm going to continue to follow my braid pattern. Let's see. Okay, it's starting to close in. I'm gonna fill in the back a little bit more. Just gonna pull it to make sure we in there. Okay, I got 3 more tracks left. So we're going to use this here. I'm gonna have to flip them a little bit. Gonna put this to kind of close it, so it won't be so janky wanky. Let's try to close the top part. Still have a top part. Okay, then I have 4 of the 1 comb width. So we're going to go ahead and close up. We're going to close up the top. Just trying to figure out where the open little gaps are and close it up. And then with the last 2, that's what it's looking like. I don't want the tracks to show. I'm going to kind of push it to the front. I'm going to angle this one more to the front, the last 2, so I can kind of cover where the tops of the tracks are. 1 clip strips, and I just filled it in, and then I put a couple bobby pins to just kind of close it in so it look really natural on the top, so when I bend my head down you can't see, you know, you can't see the tracks. I'm going to share with you what I did to my natural hair prior to getting my hair braided down, and then myself installing these hair clips. About that, you know, I'm all about hair treatment, even prior to Protect the Style. But I wash my hair with the Urban Hydration Honey Repairing Shampoo. I do have, I got this from my curl box. I will leave the link below because I did a product review on this line. And I followed up with the Talia Waji Repair and Restore mask. I left the mask on. It said leave on for what, 20 minutes? It says leave it on for 20 minutes. I left it on for about 40 minutes. I was on the phone running my mouth. So I left it on for about 40 minutes, rinsed it off, and then I followed up with the green apple and aloe apple cider conditioner. I do have a product review on both of those products from the Tilia Wajid line. I will leave those links below in the description box. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, like I mentioned, this is my first time installing the clip-ins. It was really fun, really easy to install. I'm sure with time I will get better installing the clips. So if you've ever used natural hair clip-ins, let me know how they worked out for you. What was your favorite style? I'm going to try to change it up a little bit and kind of play with them. But really fun, really easy style to do. Like, the whole clip install process took maybe 10 minutes. I had to mess with the front a little bit just to make sure that the clips were not showing. But I really like this style. I really like it. It's currently on the channel. From time to time I will run raffles. Right now I have a $2 two product of the Dove hair care product here on the channel. So if you're interested to try some brand new products on the low, I will leave my raffle video below in the description box. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.